All right, it's June 24th, Monday, 9:49 a.m. Eastern. I'm actually looking for a short position here. We bounced off this area, and overall, we've just seen an overall downtrend, downtrend in the market here. And so I'm actually looking for, let me wait for another pullback here. I missed it while I was getting the recording set up. Dang it. We hit this 5533 level again. I'm going to go short. Got some consolidation that happened over here. Why is my mouse so laggy? There we go. Actually seeing some pretty strong buying come through. See what happens here. But the reason for this is we've got lower highs and lower lows that have been happening here. But you know what? Let's see, 53375. I don't know why, but my Quantower is super laggy right now. And so what I was going to say is overall, it looks like we have a downward trend. I'm actually expecting us to go down to these 520 levels later today, but we'll have to see what happens. And sorry, it's just absolutely ridiculously laggily right now. I might get stopped out here. Seen some definite buying pressure coming through. What is up? Did I just get stopped out? Yeah. So $300 loss. I'm trading 5 of my PAs and 2 evals. Dude, this is unusable right now. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what was going on, but oh, it's still super laggy. What the heck? So there was a nice run up, lost 300 on that trade. I actually want to get in short here, but this is absolutely probably bouncing off these levels. Oh my gosh. Man, we are seeing some just upward momentum. This is NQ. Okay, I'm going to have to not trade right now. This is unusable. So I'm down $2,800, $565 on each account in those 2 trades. Horrible. Not a good way to start Monday. This would actually be interesting to see if we bounce off these session highs. Oh, you know what? It's rhythmic. My rhythmic is having huge ping. So here's that pullback I was looking for. I just had bad entries. See if it continues though. Seeing some more buying pressure. Wow, this is amazing. I had a bias of downward trend for today just based off the morning session, but this is just pumping right through. This is at NQ right now. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap in this highlighted gray area right here that you can barely see. It's crazy. This is so much push. Yeah, I've got 343 ping on rhythmic right now. Wish I could rewind and not take those trades. Dude, I can't even. Okay, so I've got my risk right above those highs here. I'm going to wait for a pullback around these possibly 540 levels. I'll trail if we get that move. Be nice if we came back down to the EMAs or even tested these wicks over here. That's disappointing. I am down $4,200, $848.88 on all of my accounts. In hindsight, I should not have entered any of these trades. I don't know what it is. I was excited to trade because it's Monday. Bad, Greg. Bad. So I think if I do any trading later today, I'm just going to touch the 2 evals that I have and see if I can pass those. So, all right, everyone, have a good day. Peace. All right, it's about 10:15 a.m. Eastern. We're starting to see that pullback that I was looking for. I'm going to enter in a short position on my PAs here. And I missed it. I'm going to flatten that. I don't know what it is, but that was even super laggy. Okay. Oh my God, why am I on 10 contracts? Okay, so I didn't mean to be on 10 contracts. This is not good. I am literally clenching. Oh my God, it was because I was trading my evals. Oh my God. Oof. About had a heart attack. Okay, so if I get reviewed on payout request time, this is literally to show that I was trading my evals right here on 10 contracts and I forgot to switch those back. Oh my gosh. Don't make that mistake, people. I could have blown my accounts so quickly there. Okay, so I'm on the right contracts. I'm locking trading. So that was a rookie mistake. Do not copy what I'm doing today. Today is just not a good day. But that did bring me up to, or brought my loss back down. So I'm only down 138.68. Oh my gosh. Well, this video is going to totally make me look like an amateur today, but I am technically an amateur. So NQ's been seeing some downward pressure here. Let's see where, I feel like NQ, okay, so it bounced off right here. So this is that push up. And so in the morning session, we were just seeing a downward trend. This might be that top. And I'm super laggy again. So this was a resistance over here on the 20th. It's 555 level. We'll have to note this level here. We're bouncing around view up on the 5. This is, had a little, so 550s. We'll see if we break through it. If we break through this, we could push back down to 47. And then after that, really just depends. But I'll be looking at this 542 level and then all the way back down to the 5333s. Seeing some selling pressure come through. We'll have to see where this candle closes. Selling pressure on the cumulative delta. A lot of selling pressure on NQ. I'm going to go short. Typically when I see selling pressure on NQ, so this will be a quick scalp. Right above that previous 5-minute candle wick. We could see a bounce off slightly above that, but hopefully we keep seeing the selling pressure here. I'm going to go right above this wick. All signs are pointing down. As I say that, it just goes up. NQ bounced back up. Thinking about closing this trade early, but if I get stopped out quickly here. Well, it's just not my day today. You know what it is, and I'm going against the trend. I mean, the trend is your friend. I need to remind myself that. So I'm down $346.64, which is $1,733. I feel like I'm gambling right now, FOMOing, and I don't know what I'm doing. That trade was solely based off, we saw a lot of selling start to come through on NQ, and we're hitting these levels on both NQ and ES, where I just feel like we're gonna bounce back down. It's really hard for me to check right now. It's super laggy. But we saw this resistance at this level back on the 20th. And there's a part of me that feels like there's just no more room for the upside today. But I'm just going to be patient here. I don't want to tilt or anything. So this is the 15. Yeah, this was on the 20th. It's just really good resistance right here. We saw this push up and bounce back down. My last trade, I FOMO'd in. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have waited for this pullback. Delta's looking negative. Seeing a downward momentum start to happen here. I'll try one more time, have my stop right above these wicks here. There we go. I'm going to go break even. I really want this trade to play out here. It's so laggy. I don't know if you can tell on the recording. It'll be interesting to see later. All right, so that was a $650 trade. That's the downward movement I was looking for earlier. And I might just call it a day unless this lag can resolve itself. Should bring me up for the day. Yeah, $1,477. That's $295.40 per account. I'm going to stop, probably wait until after lunch and see where the market goes, see if we can form a range or some sort of identifiable trend. But I think I got lucky here. And again, don't copy what I did earlier. I don't know why I got into those first 3 trades, especially when it was so laggy. But it is what it is. Where'd I exit here? 4,550. Oh my God, I could have got 3 more points out of that. That could have been a $900,000 trade right there. I've got really bad ping on my Rhythmic connection again. I'm going to chalk it up to Rhythmic being laggy. See if NQ bounced here. Whoa. Man, there's a lot of movement right now. I'm a little embarrassed about those trades earlier. I really don't know what I was thinking, but those first 3 I shouldn't have got into, especially with the laggy issues in here. Currently, I let my bias affect my decision making despite the price action, the upwards trend that we saw here, upwards towards the 5558 levels. I made a mistake and had 10 contracts on after trading my evals, which could have blown my accounts. That was a very lucky exit, and I'm fortunate to be in the positives right now. So again, I'm going to call it a day for now. I might try to get into one more trade later and have like $100 risk just to get this up over maybe $300 or $400. But we'll see where things take us. But I'll catch everyone on the flip side. Peace. Okay, so I've just got done eating lunch and we have a huge sell-off going on. I'm expecting us to reach these levels at 527. So I'm in for a scalp on my PAs here. Seeing the selling come back. Been waiting for a sell-off since we've seen all this consolidation right here. Missed most of the move, but if I can get a quick scalp here, it'll be worth it. Broke under the EMAs here, under VWAP. Yeah, I'm really looking for something down in here in the 527s, 528s. See if we can get it. It's crazy. I try to get the recording going and I always miss a better entry. So I gotta just start recording a little sooner because this would have been a nice little scalp right here. I'll start trailing. Watch an NQ. It's seen a little drop. I'll go break even. And we got filled. Nice. So that brings us up to $587.44 for the 5 PA accounts for today. That was a good little recovery based off my first few trades that you all have watched if you made it this far into the video. That brings me up to $2,937.20 for the day. So I'm going to call it here and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace.